Over the past few weeks, I've been building a SaaS MVP for a client called Fruitful Africa. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my full thought process, from research, design, and all the way to development. This is just episode 1 of a full-blown series, so let's get into it.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, a 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, and turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.
If you're new here, my name is Emmy, I'm a software developer, and on this channel I document and build real projects, real client work, decisions that go into building softwares, and anything that comes in between. This isn't a step-by-step tutorial, it's more of a devlog where I explain why I do things, not just how. This project is going to be broken down into multiple episodes, covering the full software development lifecycle of the MVP. So what is Fruitful Africa? Fruitful Africa is an e-commerce platform that sells original African produce to customers worldwide. That verification process is very important because it builds trust. Customers know that they are getting authentic quality products and nothing less. From a technical point of view, that means we're dealing with multiple user roles, verification workflows, and trust-based features, which heavily influence how I plan the system. Alright, before writing any code, I follow the software development lifecycle. That includes research, design, and development. Even though I've already moved into development, I want to walk you through each stage so you can understand the reasoning behind the build. During the research stage, my focus was understanding 3 main things. 1, the customers. 2, the vendors. And 3, how the verification should work. Since this is an MVP, I had to be very intentional about what to include and what to leave out. I asked questions like, what is the minimum feature set? What does the vendor actually need on day 1? And what does the admin need to manage verification efficiently? Once the research was clear, I moved into the design stage using Figma. At this point, I wasn't trying to make things perfect or pixel perfect. The main goal was designing clear flows.
This is a landing page. This is what attracts users and vendors. A good design attracts more customers. So this is it. We've got the category section, the featured product section, the become a vendor, CTA, and the footer. And this is what it looks like on mobile. So here is the marketplace. So whenever you click on one of the nav links and you go to the marketplace, it will take you to this page. These are the authentication flows, the login and sign up authentication flow.
Okay, before jumping into code, I mapped out a system architecture and user flow using draw.io. This helped me understand how users move through the system and how different roles interact with each other. We have customers, vendors, and admin, each with different permissions and flow. Mapping this out early helped me avoid a lot of confusion later during development.
So this is the user roles. We've got the customers, which browse, buys, track orders, read stories. Vendors, which are the sellers, they register on the platform, upload products and manage sales. The admin, they verify the vendor, monitor transaction, all the admin privileges. Each user roles interacts with the front end, and the front end interacts with the back end using an API, and the back end interacts with external services through an API as well. So this CMS is going to be added later after the MVP. I just wanted to integrate it in the system architecture to fully understand how each user role interacts with the application.
After that, I moved into development and I've already made solid progress. I've set up the project structure, implemented user authentication, and laid the foundation of the role-based access.
So this is the landing page, which I've already built. So whenever a user clicks on here to log in, they'll enter their email address and password. So once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the customer's profile page, which is here, and you can log out. So far so forth, this is what I've done on the customer's profile page, and you can log out through here. Go back home. So right now I'm currently doing the vendor's dashboard, which is this. These are all dummy data, so it's not really actual data from the back end. If I click the add products, it takes you to this page where you can insert product name, the category, and you click add, then whatever product you've added comes to the marketplace. So there's nothing in the marketplace because the route hasn't been developed. You just go back home and it takes you to this page which is the landing page, of course. So far, this is what I've done. I've already built the component for each product's listing.
At this stage, the focus was on getting the core system working properly before adding features on top. This episode was all about setting the foundation. In the next episode, I'll be diving deeper in actual feature implementation, challenges I've faced so far, and how I'm handling things like vendor verification and product management. If you enjoyed this breakdown or you're building a SaaS product yourself, make sure to hit the subscribe button. This series will cover the entire MVP build from start to finish. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out from Emmy.